we are here to learn from one another. So I'm not a teacher. I'm still learning the process also. So this compost is made by a student organization on campus called Root Africa. They are students who are engaged in agriculture activity, like teaching students about agriculture, especially high school students. So for this compost, the key basic in making a compost is you have you need the carbon, which is the dry grass, the C, you need nitrogen, and you need oxygen, which is O, and you need water, H2O. So you need C, N, O, H2O. So these are the four key components you need in a compost when you are making a compost. For this identical compost, what we do is the compost actually spends 3 months. After 3 months, the compost is ready. And what we do here is we use as you can see, I just brought this as a sample so that you can see you have the raw grass and you have the dry one, which is the green material and the brown material. And you also have the menu here, which is this one is the chicken menu. So what we do here is firstly we break the grass into smaller pieces. We cut the grass with collars. Some people can use machine. Breaking the grass down into smaller particles help the microorganisms in the compost to break it down in the faster form. So when we cut into pieces, we do the same with the brown material also. So to pull it together, we use the ratio of 4:1, meaning we use four wheelbarrow of dry grass to 1 wheelbarrow of green material, brown and green. The brown is 4, the green is 1, and then we use 1 wheelbarrow of chicken manure. Most often we use cow dung, which you can see some of it outside there. We've been using it, but it's gone down now. We usually been using cow dung. So what we do is we put the grass, the brown material down first. We put the first 2 wheelbarrow down. When we put the 2 wheelbarrow down, then we put the raw material. We put half there. Then the 1 load of wheelbarrow of menu, chicken menu or whatsoever menu you might have, we use also half. Then we use the last 2 wheelbarrow of brown material, and then we use the last green material, which is the green grass, and then we use the last one. After that, we also put in water. We use the 2 gallons. That means not 2 gallons, but the watering can. We use 2 watering cans. Each layer will carry 1 watering can, and another layer carry another 1 watering can. So each layer carry 1 watering can. The watering can is about 2 gallons, 2 gallon plus. So that's how we do it. And after that, we make sure that we train the compost. And the compost we train it after 3 days. After 3 days, we train the compost. And when we train it for the first time, for the first 3 days, another 3 days will pass before we can train it. So 5 days, they want to make it 6, and then we train it. And then you just continue to add up the number. So one of the key things you need to take into consideration in making a compost is the ratio should be balanced. Most often we use grass. So since we are using grass, we're not using like a big storm to make the compost. If the compost is not heated enough, you'll find out that when you're using the compost, as soon as you place it anywhere to plant a crop, you just start seeing the weed will start coming up because the compost was not heated enough. The reason is the ratio is not balanced. When the ratio is not balanced, you'll find out that there will be the heat in the compost pile will not be sufficient, and you'll find out that the compost, the time it's out to spend, it will be longer. You'll have more time. So one method people use is when you find out that the compost is not like the heating is very slow, you add a little raw material. But when you are just starting, it will be good you follow the ratio, because if you don't follow the ratio, you will not know how to add it, and in adding it, you make the whole process to be long. Instead of going for 3 months, you might go for like 6 months. So that's the basic